Yeah, net.
No, I don't want to net him.
Huh?
You don't need to net him. Just swing him over to me. Swing him up here, I'll get him.
Yeah, hold the net. Might bite you.
He's not gonna bite me. I'll get control of him. Okay, put slack in your line.
Yeah. You know, I hooked him up at the bottom. Not on top. He was swimming. Your video.
It is. You know what? We have to cut your hook and push it out.
Huh?
Give me something to cut your hook.
Here.
We have to cut the hook and push it out the other side.
Cut the hook.
Cut the hook right there. He's not gonna get you.
Okay.
Here.
Wait, and take this out. Cut the hook.
Cut the hook.
Right here?
Yes. Don't cut it so short. Cut it longer. No, don't pull it out. Cut it. Just cut it higher up.
I have a cutter inside. This will ruin my... Let me get a cutter.
Okay. Hey. Calm down, guy. Calm down. You're okay. We're gonna help you. Yes. Give me those.
No,
Side cutters. The ones you had in your hand.
Here,
Joel. Joel, you have to cut it because I have to hold the bird. Cut it up here.
Right there.
Hold on. Get it on the cutter part. You're on the crimping part. There, cut it. Try not to move it around too much. Pinch it hard. Closer to the tip is better. There you go. Try not to push down on the bird.
This sucker will not fucking cut.
If you hold the bird, I'll cut it. Grab him by his neck like I got him. Here. Get him by his neck. Okay, now hold his body gently like this. Okay. Give me those side cutters.
Oh, there we go.
Okay, now I gotta push it out.
There, man. Here, hold it.
Okay. Now I got him. There he goes.
Freaking hell.